Yo, what's going on? Oh, this lens is dirty. There we go. What's going on? It's Don from Hella Smoke. Yeah, today we've been working on the Cressida. And we're gonna be finally installing these guys. Got some BC coils here. It should be interesting. My first time ever installing coilovers. And with these ones you gotta weld the fronts. Yeah. So we're gonna do the rears first. And Liam's supposed to be coming over to help. Yeah. But we're just gonna get straight into it. It's not gonna be a how-to, but I'm just gonna show you guys me installing them because I don't really know what I'm doing, so we're gonna figure it out along the way like we usually do. This thing soon. Almost. Alright, but this thing, let's go. Alright, so first things first, we need to jack this thing up. So I might move it back a little bit. Yeah, cool, let me do that. Alright, got the car in position. Now before I do anything, I'm about to read through these guys here. I'm about to read through all this, see what the fuck I bought. And yeah, just make sure everything's cool. Alright, so what comes in this slip here is basically all their different types of coilovers. That's what I got, I think. And please read carefully before install. Cressida. Remove spindles. And then of course got the stickers. Nice stickers, look at that. What else we got here? Product warranty. And last in here is Coilover Type BR Series Extreme Lows. I didn't even know there was drift spec ones, but you know, fuck it, we're running Extreme Lows. Spring type. That's what I got. And then shout out to build specialist Ray for building my shit so I can install these bad bitches. Alright, so with all this out of the way, I'm going to read through this. And that's cool, it just shows you how to throw that shit on. Yeah, so that's what we gotta do. Weld it right there. Cool. Simple enough. Alright, now let me read through this real quick. Alright, so I read through all this. I'm gonna start on the rears first. So hopefully I can get like sort of the way done with the rears. And then for the fronts, Liam is gonna bring over some gas for my welder, and he's gonna bring over some gas, or in his welder. I don't know what the fuck he's doing, but yeah, lay some mean beads on that, clean it up, and yeah. So let's get car jacked up and get started. Alright, got my interior ripped out. Now hopefully the shits are right here. Yeah, there they are. Perfect. Alright, so we're about to take these off here. Right, those are almost off. Time to take off the bottom one. Alright, took a little break, didn't have the right shit, needed to buy some socket extensions, so now let's take it off. Alright, so this asshole decided to show up today.
What's going on?
But we got this nut out. It's being a bitch. It held this joint in at the bottom here. Now this is all loose.
Is it cool if I loosen them?
Yeah, and then now we're just gonna take all the tops off here, and hopefully she drops out.
Are you trying to take that bolt off? No, I'm trying to go back up, and then you could like go like this with it.
Alright. Yeah.
No, I don't. Alright, go down. Alright, go straight up. There it is. Now try and push that in.
Oh, there you go.
Got it?
Nice. Twist it here. Oh, it's caught. It's right on the end, bro.
Should I push down right here?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Come
Just
on.
max it out.
Max it out. There we go.
Nice. Ah, fuck.
You good?
Yeah. Dude, watch the spring just explode. Here,
Did
can you
you
push
lo-
this down again?
Yeah.
Try to get this out of my face. Just max it out. Oh, nice. Dude, fuck, I should have just cut the springs.
Oh, dude, we got some straight monster truck shit in this car.
Dude, let's
Yeah.
compare them. I got the extra lows, fully custom springs in this. Dude, that's gonna... Dude, just at this ride height they put it at is gonna be...
I'm surprised how nice they are though for the money.
Yeah, dude, they're fucking good deal.
We had like these shitty ass like Raceland chopped in the Miata, and they were like, dude,
Straight eBay.
yeah. Oh shit.
Alright, throw these in.
Good to go.
Yeah.
What is this? This is just like chassis. See this little bar up in here?
Oh, I don't know what that is.
I don't know. So we're about to throw this guy in.
Yeah. They got all dampening and shit too on it.
I loosened it all the way so it's max soft. No. I'm not good with you.
I would have been pissed. I would have been hella mad.
You were like, what? Oh. Fired up.
I would have been fucking pissed.
That look. Oh shit.
Fuck cars. Turn it like that. Dude, that looks wet as fuck. Oh, and this kind of matches the paint too.
Can you grab the, should I grab the jack? Just lift up under your...
Oh yeah, huh?
Yeah, I got you. Should I loosen it?
Yeah. I don't know why it's caught up. Oh, there you go.
Good?
Here, go back up. Oh, there we go. I think I got it.
Here, go ahead and put it in.
I'm trying to. This fucking... How the fuck does this even come out? Yeah, it should be fine, but... That should be fine. Okay.
Here, I'll loosen it. Wait up. Coming down.
Alright. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. That was why.
Okay.
Alright, here now. Put some molding on this side.
Are you supposed to use Loctite on this shit at all?
I don't know. I don't care. Just gonna fucking impact her fucking 200 pounds of fucking...
I don't think it matters. It shouldn't.
Nah, I don't think it had any on there. I'm just gonna crank him. Alright, there you go. Hell yeah. Oh. Oh, I forgot I got some brakes too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. I'll throw those on after though. I'm just trying to get these in. Fuck yes. Alright, we got this side sent, put back together. Now we're just gonna rip this one out. So it's literally the same process, so I'm not gonna record it, but yeah. And then we got the fronts, which are gonna be a little more difficult, but we're good. So we're back from taking a break. I got some drinks. Liam decided to rip these bolts off and jacked it up, and the whole assembly just came crashing
Last
down.
time I checked, not my car. Couldn't care less about it. I'm fired up. I'm gonna get kicked. Oh shit.
Nah, actually, it should be cool though. Better
Oh my bad.
uninstall for us. Dude, look how massive those are. Alright, so we made a quick run to Harbor Freight. Only took a few hours. Labor Day traffic. Got some brake line tools. This thing's being a bitch.
Hopefully this doesn't piss everywhere.
Oh, it's gonna piss everywhere, bro. So if we take that, we could just undo everything, or
Well,
what's the point of taking that off?
Oh, instead of fucking with this, since this is always loose, we'll just crack this off and then just slide it through that way and then free this.
Alright, cool. So we need to take this whole assembly out and cut this and weld onto that. And we'll be smooth. Got the rears in, just need to get these out. Alright, got this guy out, ginormous. Got these dope ass BCs. Then we just need to cut. Leave 2 inches right here off this. So can't see. Right on that. And then we slip these on right over and just weld them up. Yep. How do I? We just kick it out? Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Got that baby out in less than 2 minutes.
Holy shit. Alright, now we're just gonna cut it like the last one. And
I'm not even gonna mark it.
No, we don't need to mark it. Professional NASCAR teams, we never mark this shit.
Jesus. We do need to take this off though.
Dust cover, what size?
Yeah,
No. Try this one.
you put it back on the rack. Oh, yes. 12, baby.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa.
Put it in the rack, baby.
You get me all fired up.
Right here. Ready? Send. Oh,
You get me.
send.
Got you good, brother.
Send. Strip.
I need fast. You left the socket on.
Oh, fuck.
Jesus.
That one was stripped up.
I don't even think you need eye protection for this next cut. Holy shit. Are you gonna put in wheel bearings on this or just
What are wheel bearings?
290,000 miles and putting a 1J with an R154 and you just gonna let these bearings go? God damn.
So illegal. So illegal. Not bad for the environment at all.
We're in Mexico, it's okay.
Dude, that cut is not straight.
It's all good. I don't even think it matters. As long as you have a little bit of a well on it, it doesn't.
I'm not saying a fucking minute, Jesus.
Good.
Good enough for me.
Alright, let's go weld it.
Wanna fuck with real quick? Are you a pro? Are you a professional, bro?
Yeah, I am. Last time I checked, I was right here.
Clippers.
Come on, bitch. Fucking goddamn welder. Okay.
Dude, fuck yes. That's turning out so good.
Don't fucking zoom up on my chicken shit. And it's actually not that bad.
Dude, it's mad.
Yeah. Alright, so.
Alright, here's gonna be the fun part.
Ah, fuck.
That one hit you?
Yeah.
You good?
Oh yeah, I'm good to go. Dude, look at that one. Woo! Laying that gas down, boy. Oh.
Oh, here to autofocus, you just hit this button.
Oh,
Here.
fuck yeah, thank you.
Right here.
Oh, I got you. It's the nicotine, baby Jesus, and Goodyear tires all in one. Oh, fuck.
Really? Alright, so we got on some blocks here, but this might be the end of the video. I'm just gonna go drive around the block real quick. But yeah, we got the fronts in with the adjustable dampening. Got the rears in right there. I don't know if you can see it. But cool. I think that's it for this video, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.